Does your dog have dark balding patches on their sides and you're just at your wit's end with what to do about it? Well, if so, this video is for you. I'm Nicole Thompson. I am the creator of Paws to Perfection Promotions, and I've made it my personal mission to help businesses of all kinds help find their own brand image. So today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about seasonal alopecia, or seasonal flank alopecia as it's better known. Tootsie Roll's being a little camera shy today, so hopefully she'll turn around shortly. Now, thankfully, she hasn't experienced the seasonal flank alopecia this year. And what that big long name means is balding dark patches on their sides that they get seasonally, typically in the spring and the fall. There's not really a true diagnosis for what causes these bald patches. It is believed that it's due to the limited number of hours that they spend in the sunshine in the colder months and when the sun isn't out as long. So say when an owner goes to work all day, they let them out in the morning when it's still dark, they're in the house all day, and then they come home and let them out at night when it's dark again. So they're literally getting no sunshine, and it's low melatonin levels in their system, which causes the hair loss. We've had it happen a couple of times. It doesn't typically happen when they're puppies. It does tend to be breed specific, and it is prominent in English bulldogs. There's several other breeds too. I've heard of it in boxers too, and there's a few others that I'm just not sure of off the top of my head. What we have found is a good treatment for it is, well, they also tend to get dry scaly patches on their skin too, that flaky dry skin. So we've got a couple of things that we use. One of the things that we tend to do is we will give her organic, unrefined coconut oil. We take about a tablespoon of that and melt it and pour it over her food daily. That seems to help with the dry skin. And basically the best treatment that we have found and seems to work every time is just getting her out in the sunshine and letting her soak up as much of that wonderful vitamin D and melatonin that she can and get her fur growing back. And like I said, we have been lucky enough to not have her experience that this year, but we've had it happen in the past. Some of the other things that you can do, and we haven't personally tried it, is actually to give them a melatonin supplement. That's typically what a vet is going to recommend. And I have to let you know, I am not a vet. This is just what we have found that works for our little girl, who is very camera shy today for some reason. But I don't proclaim to know all the answers, but this is what we have found that works for us. And it's always a good idea to visit your vet, have your dog checked out, and let them be the true diagnostician for your pup, because you don't want any underlying conditions to go overlooked just because of some video you saw on Facebook. But hey guys, I just wanted to let you know I am super psyched that you were here. If you liked this video, please share it with your friends if you got any value out of it. And I look forward to talking to you again soon. Bye guys.